Okay, this is stream number 5, if I'm counting correctly. Let's get back into it, shall we? Hopefully this stream isn't disrupted too much, because I've got something in the oven which I've got to check on every like 5-10 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't distract too much. Okay, anywho. Let's see, so we had just gotten the revolving rim on the flying saucer working. Oh, nice. Okay, so, kind of spins so we can hit it. Yep, nice. Okay, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I kinda, let's see. Let's have a look at that. Okay, there we go. So, this design, so what do I want to add to that? I guess logically I kind of want a ring, like an inner ring. So let's stick one of those in. Let me fiddle with my stream again, as usual. Love fiddling with my stream. Okay, cool. Right. Yeah. Let's draw another circle on the top of that circle, and then I'm going to go and fidget with the stuff I have in the oven. I think. Cool. Where is that? Here. Okay. Will this? I wonder if. Can I put this all in one begin path and end path? So, could I do? I just want arc. I want this basically, don't I? That's going to be, what's this going to be? It's going to have, yep, it's going to be like that. It's going to have a radius of, yeah, that's, what I have to do is this. I need to specify this really as a proportion. Okay, source subtract. Let's get rid of that. Yep. Do that, and then use that. Use this value. Nope, sorry. Use that value here. That should work. What's that look like? Cool. Yep, got a circle. Okay. Kind of feel like that should be a lighter colour than the outer ring, so I'll make that a little bit lighter. Let's make it, I call this like saucer outline. That'll do. Saucer outline stroke style. This is probably not common. Like, are JavaScript variables usually named like this? This is just my Java background showing, probably. But yep. I mean, makes sense to me. So that's what we're going with. Let's see. Split these up. This is going to be. Arrange it like that. This is going to be, should I just call this the inline stroke style? Inline stroke style is going to be, let's see. If that's a different stroke style, then I will have to make this a separate path. That's fine. I'll just have to bear that in mind. This is going to be a little bit lighter, so we're going to make it, I'm going to bump up these figures by 2. There we go. Okay, so that's the inline stroke style. Going to what I'm going to do here. I'm going to make this a separate arc. That's going to go. That's just that's whatever, isn't it? Is it going to look better or worse if I put it before or after? If I put it after, I guess technically that's going to look better if there's any overdraw. This needs begin path and stroke. I also need close path? Surely I need close path here. The tutorial didn't... I mean, just... That's weird. Close path, right, that's what I want. We do need close path, I'm fairly sure. No, close path. Close path just draws a line back to the start of the path from the last point of the path, doesn't it? It's stroke which clears the sort of path buffer, I think. Well, let's have a see what happens. Begin path here. Stroke. I also need to change the stroke style. That's going to be the that. So this should make the inline a little bit lighter. That's cool. Yeah, nice, very nice. That's cool. How about making the wow, I'm not very decisive, am I? Okay, let's not. I kind of feel like the track lines ought to be lighter colour as well. So, let's put this here. Oh no, that's not what I want, is it? I want to put it here, and I want to put. I'll put this here. Here. That'll do it, right, and now it'll also be a lighter colour. Very nice, except it's closing the path, that's not good. Why and how has it started doing that? Oh yeah, because it's including its part of the path, isn't it? Okay, right, so that means I need to make it its own path anyway. I'm not sure what I was thinking. I think that probably ought to do the trick. Okay, nice, not too bad. Needs a dome now. I have been putting off doing the dome. I've been putting off even thinking about how the dome is going to look because, I mean, a dome's made of glass, right? A glass needs reflective, it needs to have specular effects, and it needs to look like a reflective surface, but I have no idea, I haven't tackled that material in this game yet. All I've got is sort of abstract, sort of vague, what material is anything in this game made of right now? That's rock, stone, or something, but these, what is that? That's just a colour. These are just colours, obviously they may as well be made of plastic. So, I'm gonna have something made of glass. What am I gonna... Should I just... I'll just make it black for now? Just sort of draw a black circle in the middle, I guess. So, I guess, right, let's define a dome radius. Yeah. Dome radius, we're going to make 30, and we're going to define a dome fill style. Dome fill style is going to be very nearly black. And we're going to draw a dome after drawing everything else. So it's going to go here, and we're done. It's going to be fill, and that's going to be this much radius. this, which is source.dome radius. Oh, we also need to set the fill style. And this ought to draw a grey dome. Okay. Pretty intimidating. Quite like it. Kind of slightly smaller dome. Oh dear. Sublime. I will buy. I should totally buy. I should just buy the license, shouldn't I? Okay. Yep. Dome. Pretty nice dome. Pretty nice. Yeah. Freaky. It's kind of weird. Like it. Yeah. But, I don't know, the black kind of makes it seem just like a hole. I don't know. Kind of makes it seem like a hole. I don't really want that. Some sort of relief effect. I could just add a gradient, so, I mean, that's a gradient there. Ooh, I would have to move the gradient in order for it to look... Ooh, I could have a sort of dynamic gradient, I guess. It's a dynamic gradient that I could turn off in high quality mode. Ooh, my first actual high-low quality selector dependent graphics feature that's actually in the game. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah. Gradient. Yeah. Yeah. Let's superimpose a gradient on the dome only when high quality mode's enabled, and otherwise we'll set something else. Okay, so gradients are a bit quite wordy, so I'm going to copy and paste this from elsewhere. Where have I specified a... Ooh, well, I forgot oven. Just a minute. Okay, right, that's dealt with. Where was I? High quality dome rendering. And I was looking for where I render a gradient. here somewhere. Here we go. Okay. Tiddly-bom, tiddly-bom, tiddly-bom. Yeah, I think let's go with... Let's try this one. Sure. Okay, that's good. And let's park it in here. Let's have this. There we go. Cool. So, okay. One other thing, I would probably want to stick this in here. Let's do that. HQ is defined here, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Cool. So let's high quality mode on. And gradient rendering in here. So there we go. So we'll just modify the fill style according to the high quality flag. If high quality is on, fill the dome with a gradient, and if it's off, fill it with a flat color. Let's call this like not HQ or something. LQ? Not HQ, I guess. Okay. Obviously I don't have to Oh, actually, I need to recalculate this every frame because the gradient needs to appear to move across the screen with the flying saucer. Linear gradient. I could make it radial. I could make it a radial gradient. Or a gradial gradient. Just JavaScript radial gradient. Right. XY from the origin, yeah, the start circle, radius of the start circle, X coordinate of the end. Ooh, what? End circle? What is this? The method returns a canvas gradient. To be applied to a shape, the gradient must first be assigned to the fill style. Yeah, sure, okay. Start circle and end circle? Inner circle is a... Okay, ooh! I don't get it. What? Inner circle is at here. So you have an inner circle, sure, with radius 30, and an outer circle with radius 70 that has different... So what, is the gradient squeezed? The inner circle is offset from the... Oh, I think... Ah! It's a little unclear on my monitor, but okay, so this is sort of... The gradient's harsher on this side, and sort of... Oh! That's kind of cool, actually. It's harsher on this side, and sort of more diffuse on this side. Well, I guess I could do that. Okay, we have colour stops, pink, white and green, and also green. Wait, hang on. Okay. Okay. So let's define that here. It's going to be a this. It's going to be a dome fill style HQ, which is going to be a we need access to the context. That's a bit okay. Fine. Okay. So let's park this in the constructor. Let's put this, let's do this. I think I have access to the context anyway, so that's fine. What am I talking about? I just mentioned earlier that the gradient has to follow the saucer as it moves, so we have to recalculate it every frame, so it has to go here. Tiddly-pom. Brain like a sieve. Brain like a sieve, sadly. Okay, let's replace this. Okay, yeah. We want the inner circle to be at this dot x, this dot y, then we want like some function of the dome. This is going to be saucer dot dome radius. That's the inner circle, so let's make it like just like -10 pixels, I guess. And then let's offset this from the center by some amount. Let's just go with I don't know, that, I guess. Yeah, let's go with that. And then this is going to be, that's probably decent as a start of 10. Now, what colour is this going to be? This is going to be like, the inner circle is going to be white. Let's make it, let's make them HQ highlight. That's going to be white or almost white. Let's make it slightly red, because, like, why not, I guess. Like that, and like that. That's probably going to look a bit weird. I guess that's fine. Okay, so let's do that. So I want both that and let's just make that the same as Okay, so this is going to be the non-highlighted colour, yeah? This is going to be saucer, dome, fill style. This is going to be the low light. No, sorry, this is going to be the highlight, and then that's going to be the low light. Okay. Dome fill style HQ. And that's that is... I don't know what this is going to look like. Let's see. Is this even going to work at all? Interesting. Wasn't expecting that. So many wonderful surprises. Okay, I got to fiddle with the oven again. One sec. Okay. What is going on here? Why has it done that? That's not what I expected. It hasn't drawn a circle. That's not really a great... I guess that might be a gradient. Pretty curious result I've gotten there, I think. That's not even a colour that I specified or anything, so that is kind of weird. That's weird. That's oh, hello. That's the shade of white. That's okay. Let's make that just plain white for now. I seem to have misunderstood something. Okay, so the circle, that bit of the circle is being drawn correctly, but this is the top left of the dome, or what should be the dome, is beyond logic. I'm not sure why it's decided to draw something like that. Yeah, pretty strange. So HQ mode's on. Defines a radial gradient with a circle like this. And the outer circle, I think, definitely... Oh, hang on. Okay, so... Let's see. So the shine should probably agree with the shadow, which means that it needs to be... The highlight needs to be drawn up on the dome and slightly to the left, which means... Up on the dome means negative, reduce the Y value. So that's going to be like... that. and that, I guess. And this is going to be... That's going to be like... that? What change does that make? Oh, basically fixes it. Okay, right, so, okay, well, that's not a million miles away from what I was kind of hoping to get. Is it right? Maybe you can make it a bit less severe? What does that look like? That didn't do what I expected. Huh. Well, hang on. Okay. Does it need to be, like, way bigger? Okay. Off. I gotta say, this color stop approach to the gradient doesn't... I don't find it very intuitive. Like, what if I make that really small? Does that change it? Okay, it's more diffuse now. If I reduce the size of the outer circle again, it's really severe again. What if I make that... Oh, hang on. Oh, nope, nope. I thought I understood what was going on, but I don't. Yeah, there's some. I'm missing something here. Seriously. I really am missing something about how this radial gradient's working. Like, why is that happening? All I did was change the offset of the outer circle a tiny bit, and it's just lost the plot. What is that? Okay. Back to the. I think if the outer and the inner circle touch one another, then it glitches out. Is that what's happening? I just want this. I just want this gradient to be less severe. Why is it? Why so much of it white? Oh, is it filling the inner circle? Is that the inner circle? That white circle? That's the inner circle. Okay. I think. Ah, that's the inner circle. Got it. Got it. Right. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Looks kind of looks a bit twee. I'm gonna make it a little less severe, just to make it sort of. That needs to be sort of dimmer, just to make it more sinister looking, I think. Sort of reddish glow. Interesting. Is that appropriate? I quite like that. Greenish glow? Or like maybe I should stop messing around with that. I'm probably making it look worse with every iteration. Kind of spooky. Okay, smaller inner circle. Oh, went bang. Don't like it. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Kind of spooky. There you go, flying saucer, nice one. How about LEDs? Should I have little LEDs flashing on them? I've made this tool cool looking now. It should, because everything else is so flat, that looks kind of way too well rendered. I'm going to make that gradient I'm just going to make it worse. Let's just make it... Yeah, let's make it significantly worse. There we go. That's, that looks worse. Okay. Push this down a bit further. Okay. Can I make that gradient appear slightly out of the dome? Yeah, that looks... I think that's... yeah, there's something kind of appealing about that. Maybe a bit more... make this smaller as well, I guess. Is it gonna... yep, oop, totally broken, totally broken. Is it gonna work? Nope. Yeah. That's kind of a... kind of goofy looking, kind of... yeah, maybe a bit too goofy looking. Like, you know, I do need to give the impression of glass, but also... yeah, okay. Okay. Fidget, fidget, fidget. Yeah, yeah, sure. Maybe a bit. I'm fidgeting with it again. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Cool. Do I want to add, like, any extra bells and whistles? Actually, so I've got, I think that would be everything, right? This is drawn correctly. It has behaviours already that I just copied in from the ground enemies, like dropping power-ups, also flashing when hit, also disappearing when dead. So it's got all the necessary behaviours. It looks about right because it's got a drop shadow. And, like, there's a... yeah, that's, I mean, yeah, okay. Maybe that's fine, Maybe, maybe that's enough enemies for, like, for a first level, actually. I've got little tanks, I've got different tanks with different colour schemes. I've got tanks that drop power-ups, I've got a flying enemy that drops power-ups, I've got a big enemy which I can just sort of put in at the end. Maybe that's enough? Maybe then I can start sort of getting a feel for whether I want to add other stuff, like maybe some sort of interactability with these buildings somehow. And then I can get on to stuff like a level ending screen and stuff like that. I guess that would be neat. Maybe I could, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's about, yeah, I think it's about time I also started adding in, like, lose conditions, like when they cross this line, then you lose, and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, alright. Last break to mess around with the oven, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So last time that I run away off to mess around with the oven, and I just noticed that somebody is commenting in my stream, and I've totally ignored you. I'm sorry. Let's see, what API am I using to make games? I am coding this whole thing in JavaScript. It's making use of a canvas, and I'm basically drawing everything onto the screen with like context. Like what is it? Canvas rendering context 2D. That's what I'm doing. I'm drawing everything basically using vector maths, and it's kind of tricky. I'd never done like what I call graphics programming before, so I'm making a lot of dumb mistakes and occasionally very, very hilarious mistakes. So that's always fun. Let's see. My voice feels deep. Thank you. That's. Yeah, I'm not putting on a voice or anything. I think this is the way I normally speak. Let's see. Yeah. Anyway, where was I? Okay, so I was thinking of getting on with the level logic a bit. So, what should we do here? Should I code in a a lose condition? I think I'll do that. That should be pretty easy. I think I should be able to just check the x coordinate of every enemy. Yeah, I'm just going to check the x coordinate of every enemy on every frame. Which is here, I think. And I'm going to trigger the lose condition. I don't know what that's like. Yeah, okay, let's just identify the lose condition anyway. Lose condition, lose condition. So, nope. Am I just going to stick this straight into the tick function? Or is it, don't I have like an update function here? Oh boy. Okay, level 1, yeah, constructor, wave 1, yeah, draw. Yeah, it's just going to have to go into tick, isn't it? Yeah. I probably want... Okay, I probably want lose. I probably want whether the mission was lost or not to be a global property. So I'm just going to say here, lost. Lost, loser, loser, loser. Actually, no, lost. He lost. Okay, so we're just going to have to tick through this. Is that the right way to iterate? No, it isn't. We need to use for each. That's 4 each, and we're going to park that in there. Okay. So if what's the coordinate of that line? It's like it's here somewhere, isn't it? Here, 150 pixels. Okay, so that is. Oh boy, more adverts in my music stream. Okay, not a lot I can do about that. Anyway, so this is going to be the Oh, is this the reason the background is? Is this the reason the background is flickering? No, it isn't, is it? It's because of this. Huh. Oh well. Okay, anyway, this is going to be the lose line? I just call it the lose line. Lose line X. And that's gonna wanna be, let's make that level 1 dot lose line X. Yes. That. Okay. And we're also going to use that value for down here. Where is it? Tick. Here. So if if the ground enemy, let's see, so all enemies they store their X coordinate as a field, as an instance field called X. So we're going to check that that is less than that, less than or equal to that. Okay, that's good. Don't want that, then that sets lost. And we want the same here. And then also I want to draw something on the top of the. I want to draw something in the middle of the screen to indicate that. Indicate that you lose. You lose. You a loser. So let's use that. Ooh, you've failed. Oh, I already, I already had some. Oh, nice one. Okay, yeah, perfect. Let's just re-enable that. That'll be pretty interesting. If lost, perfect. So, okay, let's make the flying saucer really fast, and then let's lose and see what happens. Lose. Here we're gonna put this is gonna be there we go. It doesn't like it. It hasn't drawn. Oh. Cannot read properties of undefined. Reading length. Huh? This.path.length? Wait, what? Oh wait. Derp. There we go. Whee! Boing. Nice. Okay, cool. That would seem to work then. Does it work for ground enemies? Let's... Boom. Ooh. Oh no! Oh, okay. I'm kind of bad at my own game. Yep, nice. Okay, that's good. Why is that flickering? Is that a random color? Yes, I decided that's a little bit of code which makes it flash in crazy colors. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Okay. Okay, how about then button to return to the main menu, I guess? Well, okay, obviously I probably want to change, I might want to change like that. To what though? I'm feeling like it should sort of fade in and overlay, and it should like dim the screen. Let's stop drawing the... Let's stop drawing that. Let's also turn the gun off. When you've lost. So how are projectiles actually created? I think it's actually in the level 1 mouse listener, isn't it? Yeah, here we go. So so stop creating projectiles. Yeah, stop creating projectiles when you've lost. Muzzle flash, projectile set. Okay, right, so... And... let's see, kind of wanna... what else am I gonna... I'm gonna have like some sort of button... Yep, okay, can't shoot stuff. Yeah, okay, let's just let's draw the lost screen a bit differently and provide a button to... Oh wait, yeah, no, I let's see, let's fade in and overlay. I want I want a lost tick, don't I? So let's... let's set that as an instance variable. I think that's what we want. Yep. So this dot lost tick, that's going to be 0. Cool. That's going to be 0, and we are going to increment that every frame that we've lost. Ooh. I think that has the potential to cause some... Nah, okay, maybe it'll be fine. Let's see. I'm gonna get into some like game state shenanigans if I don't manage the status of these fields carefully. So if I do stuff like, if I clear the lost flag in the end function, then then I might forget and then accidentally like set it again or something. I guess. Yeah, I guess I can do that. Let's just do lost false. I guess that makes sense. I think that makes sense to do. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Muzzle flashes, projectiles, yeah. I want to put the... see, I want to put this here. Let's... where is the... so I should iterate the lost tick here. I think. And I just want that to I want to fill a I want to fill the entire canvas with a black rectangle which becomes less opaque. So this is going to be... I do this in the start screen as well. So is that right? Where's the fade in? Here. Okay, yeah. I do something similar to this to do a full screen effect. That is pretty much what I want. Wipe alpha, yeah. I want wipe alpha to be... let's make it like 0.5 minus the lost tick. And I want this to invert, so what this is going to be is actually that. I want this. So that's going to... I want that to start at 0 alpha. And increase to... yeah, I want it to start at 0 alpha, and then I want it to increase to... looks about right. And the trouble is that that's gonna go higher than 1. I want that to increase to 0.5. It needs to be... Lost tick divided by 64. What was this even? Oh, what was this even doing? I need this to. I need this to increase from 0 to. Okay, so it's going to start at 1. Okay. Should I call math.max? That seems reasonable. Okay, let's do that. Max of a half and this, which is going to be, I don't know, that's about right? So, I think that's right. Oh, whoa, what's happening? Okay. I don't want max, I want min, don't I? Silly me. I want to test this a bit more quickly, so please make the flying saucer really fast again. I want this one. Nice. That is, yeah, that's good. That's good. That's what I wanted. Okay. Let's make the fade out a little faster. It's convincing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Let's replace that flashing text with something a little more subdued, I think. Question is with what? I have got buttons like here. Let's see. I've got draw button for drawing the mini buttons. I could just draw a mini button onto the screen. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, this is gonna... Well, okay, so I could just take this. Just yoink, take this function, and then also do the same ugly thing which I'm doing right now of listening to the buttons, which is basically including it in the level mouse listener, which is okay. Yeah, let's steal that. Let's put it in level 1. Let's park it. I don't know. Let's just stick it in there. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Let's draw a button. How am I invoking this? Like that. Okay. And that's gonna go in here. Nope, no it's not. It's gonna go in. Yeah. What are these parameters again? X, Y, width, height, and text. That's... Okay, so... it's gonna be like... How do I get this button to appear in the middle of the screen, the middle of the frame? We're going to take the canvas width and we're going to bump it back by the half of the width of the button, I think. Am I dreaming? It's going to be half the width of the button, so like a quarter. Shoot. Doing mental maths. What does that even look like? Can I have... Can I put a line break in a string that JavaScript is going to render correctly? That will render correctly in ctx.filltext. I'm feeling probably not. Okay, what does that look like? It's still saying congratulations, you fit. Ah, right, because that's still there. Okay, what the heck is that? Ah, beautiful. Love how that button is shining, telling me how failed I've been. Okay. Yeah, it'd be nice if that was centered. So the center is going to be what's that going to be? Okay, let's make it a bit wider. Okay, that's not wider. That's wider. Okay, that wants to be okay. Okay, I think that makes sense. And that's going to be like that. So now I should get a centered oblong button. Yeah. Well, it's centered and it's oblong. Can't complain about that, I guess. Maybe a little gigantic mega, but shrink it down a bit. That's not what I wanted. Okay, cool. Right, sort of fades into the background. You can't shoot. Cool. Like this little guy here should like sort of like break down and start emitting sparks and smoke, shouldn't it? Failed. You yourself have become destroyed. Yeah. I think that should probably stop moving when you lose. Okay, can't shoot. I mean, I guess that's good enough. I guess I'll think about that. There's a lot of ways that I could destroy if a player just like falls into a hole in the ground, explodes spectacularly, throwing like parts of itself all over the map, all over the screen, just goes boom and starts smoking and like like catching fire and giving electrical sparks and stuff. There's a lot there. There's a lot of ways that there's a lot of ways that the player can be mocked for their failure. So I guess I'm going to have to think about. Guess I'll think about that. Okay, cool. Last thing, clicking on the screen when you failed returns you to the start screen. So let's do that. We're going to have a mouse down listener, which will invoke end. Let's do that. Let's invoke end. If you've lost. This is yeah. What's it? When's it? It's 100, isn't it? So then this will return you to the. How do I actually do that? I think I need to invoke that. I can't quite. Yeah. See, I need to call end, but I can't call lost as false here because if I want to check whether the player lost once they re-enter the start screen, then I would need to check. I can't remove it here if I invoke end here. So I'll invoke end, and I'm gonna do the. Let's see. I'm gonna to the pom. There's some logic here for changing the stage this right. Let's put that on level 1 here. Let's put this here. I think, yeah, that's fine. So this is going to be a new start. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Have I done that right? 1, okay. Boom. And it's not working. Totally ignoring me. Okay. Why is it doing that? It doesn't know that I lost. So that's right, isn't it? Just get rid of that unnecessary console looking. Here. Why doesn't it? Yeah, that definitely should be triggered, right? Right? Okay. Does it want that? Huh. I mean, okay. Where's level 1? The mouse listener here. If I put a breakpoint in here. Okay. Here. Lost. True, and this dot lost tick is undefined. So that's set to 0 here. It's incremented here. What have I got wrong here? Oh, of course. Invocations of the mouse down listener don't have access to the instant state. This is just a prototype which is added to, it's because of add event listener. So this code is being run, this is what I gather as a complete JavaScript novice. What I gather is that this behavior defined here in this function passed to here, added as an event listener and passed as a function handle here, has no once it's executing in the context of the whatever is triggering the event listener, like the event bus or whatever, it has no more context of this instance. So I got to do something weird. Like I've done this. What did I do before? I've done this before. I've coped with not having any instant state in the mouse event listener before, and I can't remember how I dealt with it. I could make the lost tick a global property. I think that's my only option, actually. I think that's my only option. Yeah, let's go for it. So this is going to be, this is just going to be Lostic. I'm going to get rid of, I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to put this, I'm going to put this here, make that, and then I'm going to clear, where is it? I'm going to reset Lostic to 0 when this ends. I think that should do the trick. Nice. Ooh, very nice. Okay. Let's see what it's like in high quality mode. Already failed. Okay. Yeah, let me, okay, yeah, so that looks fine. It forgot to reset Lost. I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to put something in here which checks whether the user lost. Okay. So into the thing, lose the first level. Boom. Yep. Can't reset until the fade-in is completed animating, and that ain't right. Wasn't expecting that to happen. Oh, it's, wait, hang on. Huh? Level 1. Oh, wait, what? Failed. Pretty sure that isn't used anywhere anymore. Okay, I don't want failed, I want, yeah, loss. Lost equals... Have I made a mistake with instance fields again? Because this... Huh. What am I missing here? So... Okay, let's go back to here. Okay, where's lost actually? How do you actually lose? It's due to the logic and tick, right? So here, tick. Here, so lost is set to true. Ooh. Huh. Is it because this level is like still operating in the background and modifying like global state? I think it might be. Yeah, that's kind of weird. However, I can't make this thing delete itself, can I? Okay, that's... Okay, I'm going to test my assumption first. I think it's just because... Can I test my assumption? I'm assuming because the level is continuing to run in the background after the change is made back to the start screen. I'm making an assumption, I think the reason that lost is... Yeah, I can easily test that. Let's just put something in here. saying that I'm still alive.
Okay, nothing. Oh, that's mouse cam listener. Yep, okay, let's... put it here. Okay. Okay, so the tick's been called, Back to the start. What? Oh, okay, no, that's just a breakpoint that okay, breakpoints that I set. Let's keep going. Level 1 tick is not being called. Okay, I was wrong. But it still failed. Okay. Is it because tick is being... Is it because tick is getting called after... Yeah, okay. Let's do this. Level 1 tick was called, and let's put this here. Okay, tick being called. Lost is set. Scene was ended after the tick was called. That's interesting. Let me just make sure I didn't miss something. I'm definitely... Let's see, so start... The start function in start is called, and lost should be reset here. Okay, try again. So tick's been called. Back to the start. Lost is false. Lost has been set to false. What am I missing here? Not sure what I can explain what's happening here. Yeah. Lost is being set to false, and then it's... Let's start setting some breakpoints. So I'm going to set a breakpoint. Do I have to reload everything? Yeah, okay, let's reload everything. I'm going to put in breakpoints when, let's see here, this is when you click after you've lost the level, and I am going to put a breakpoint in where I'm going to put it in start where lost is checked, which is here. Lost is checked and reset here. And I'm also going to check at the start of level 1. So I should put that in, let's see, when start is called. Here we go, I'll just park that in here. Okay, 3 breakpoints. So here we go. This is when we start the start. That's fine. Okay. Start level 1. Lose level 1. When I click, we'll get another breakpoint. Okay, saying that the scene was ended. Okay. So I'm going to step now. I want... What do I want? I do want F10, yeah? Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So here we go. Lost is set to false. Okay, and we're back into the game loop. That makes sense. What value does Lost have? Should be false, right? Lost is false right now. Okay. Lost is false right now. Let's restart execution and let's get back into here. Now this is the start of level 1. What is the value of Lost right now? Lost is still false. Okay. Step. This is going to start drawing stuff. No, this is generating buildings. Let's sort of skim this along a bit. Where are we? Single player level select. Okay, this is... Wait, hang on. Single player level select? Ah. Okay. Interesting. It went back to... So hang on, it started level 1. It invoked the level 1 start function and then went back to the level select. For some reason. And then... Well, hang on. Oh, dang it. Yeah. No, where's index.js? Here we go. If we look at Lost, we don't know. Won't tell me what value that is anymore. Do I need to... Wait, how do it? We're back. Oh, okay. Oh no, so yeah, this is just gonna start the... Yeah, this is just going to start the level, okay. Can I... So since I'm paused, can I check the... No, I can't. No, that's really weird. Was level 1.start invoked when starting this level for the second time? Okay, can I clear all breakpoints? Yeah, get rid of all that. Oh wait. Okay, I want that. Let's restart. Yep. And, oh, okay, no, I should have checked the... Level 1 start, where's start? Here, let's put in a... what is this? This is going to be... Okay, I'm hoping that this will let me check the whether we've lost or not when the level starts. Okay, here. How does it start? False. Lost is false. Yeah, perfect. Lost is false. What have I... What have I done? Why is it saying it's failed? Lost is false. How? Why would it even be drawing that? That's... I know, that's weird. I can't explain why. This only draws if lost is true. And that's actual loss, isn't it? So... Okay, never mind the breakpoints. Let's just stick in some more log lines. I want to stick a log line in, like, in maybe one other place. Where are they? Okay, level1.js. Okay, that's fine, and also... That's fine. So, in the start menu, lost always seems to be the right value. It's just in here that it doesn't seem to be the right value. Lost is false. Lost is true, yes. Okay, now... Lost is false again, but it's drawing that thing anyway. Oh, wait, hang on. Am I looking at the wrong... let's see. Draw. Here. That's... Huh. Did it fade in? Yeah, it fades in. So lost tick is reset. Lost tick has been reset to 0, so that fades in, but it still thinks that it's lost for some reason. Huh. Pretty weird. The what? Now that's printing every frame. Oh yeah, okay, here, right. Yeah, lost true, yeah, okay, makes sense. Lost true, not sure, line 365. When I click to reset to the start menu, okay. Lost is true again. Okay, so lost is false until lost becomes true again. Lost immediately becomes true. Why is that happening? Okay, can I set a watch on that value? I think I can do that, right? Bum bum bum. Oh, oh, good. Wow, really big menu. Just what I want. Okay, is there... Oh, watch. This one. Watch expression. Is that good enough? Okay, so what happens if... So, lost is false right now. Lost is still false. Okay. That's obviously not much help then. That's not actually watching not actually watching anything. So that's not much use to me. Why is lost set to true straight away? Why is that happening? Is it something like... Oh, is there something weird like... Well, that's an obvious question. There's an obvious answer to that question. This is the only place that lost is ever set to true, or... Yeah, this is the only place that lost is ever set to true, so tick is being run, and these enemies are like... They're still there, or something. I'm not clearing these, maybe? Apparently? So maybe I should do that? Maybe it's because those enemies still exist, so... Where even are the... okay. I guess I've got to... Am I, like, duplicating all these enemies, then? Is that the problem I'm having? Like, I need to clear these... Is there anything else I need to do? Yeah. Yeah, let's go with that. Yeah, that's probably... that could be it, anyway. Ground enemies... these are maps, aren't they? What are they? How are they initialized? Yeah, okay. Okie dokie. Oh, it's a const. I can't reassign it. Can you clear a map? Do I want to make it a const? Maybe I should... Yeah, you know what, never mind. Making vars. That will do. Okay, has that fixed the problem? Yes, it has. That was the problem. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay. I'm kind of feeling like I might call time there. I've sort of made the saucer a bit more saucy, and I've got an actual sort of flow where you can start level 1 and then you'll end up back in level 2, and that's kind of cool, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'll fix that background flicker. That's really starting to bother me. That, yeah, I'll tackle that. Why is that happening? That's coming from... I was rendering that image, was I? Which is... this. Ah. Okay, well so... yeah, it's because I've done something a bit silly, which is... Yeah, I've just called it image as well. Alright, okay, let's take that out. Let's make it a static. Let's stop initializing it every frame. That's probably not helping. In fact, that's probably trying to load the image fresh from like the browser resource cache every frame, isn't it? Right, yeah, who would have guessed that would cause a problem? This is going to be the background image. Yeah, background image is good enough. Am I allowed to do that in this context? I'm not sure if I can actually. There we go. Is that going to make it any better? Oh, no, really doesn't like it. Really doesn't like it. That is, it's broken. Unexpected token dot. And that's because I'm not allowed to do that. Which means that this probably isn't allowed to be static. So I'll make it an instance member. And that ought to work, probably. Okay, cool. And it stopped flickering? Yes, it stopped flickering. Excellent. And all it took was not loading the image from the browser resource cache 60 times a second. Fantastic. Alright. Cool. Ooh, back to the start. Okay, that's nice. Hey, that's something else I could implement. Easy and hard mode. Let's have a real easy and hard mode, because right now that doesn't do anything. Hard mode... easy mode, here we go, easy mode, and I'll just spawn like some of the enemies in hard mode. Let's spawn the saucer. Nah. Let's spawn the purple guys only in hard mode. Wave 2, yeah, let's spawn wave 2 only if it's hard mode. Let's spawn the red guy in hard mode. Red's a hard colour. And let's see, purple, big tank. Should I spawn? I'll spawn the big tank only in hard mode as well. Okay, right, so that ought to give us a bit of dynamics. Okay, so high quality please. We're gonna go with easy mode. Yep, okay, ooh, whoops. Oh, I'll put that in for this guy now. Nice. Boom. Oh, I could turn the sound back on as well. Yeah, let's give this a go with the sound on. This is like kind of halfway to a working game prototype right now. So music off. Let's turn the sound on the stream. Let's unmute this, and this should be working. Yeah. think so I didn't have the sound on, so I didn't. Whoops. I didn't have the sound on, so I didn't notice that the saucer is not making quite the right sounds. But that's kind of cool. That's like a sort of halfway working game prototype. Nice. I think that is a good time to close the stream. So until next time, so long.